Hi guys, I have a very special treat for you today. Instead of me driving a car today, I will actually be revealing a car. A very, very special car. Today we are at AAS, Thailand's only Porsche dealer, to pick up two GT4 RSs. However, I will be focusing all my energy and commentary on only one of these two special cars. Partially because I had some input configuring this car, but mainly because I believe this GT4 RS has objectively the best configuration. Full stop. So, without further ado, here's the car in all its glory. Wait, it's white? I know, but before you pass any further judgment, please allow me to explain. And I hope by the end of this video, you will be convinced. So, where do we start? Well, we start where we started, with the configurator, the wheels. Yes, actually that is where we started with the configuration process. We started at the wheels. Straight from the get-go, the owner knew he wanted those indigo blue wheels. And I have a feeling this wheel color will go down in history as one of the coolest Porsche wheel colors of all time. And speaking of wheel colors, did you realize every Porsche that comes with a colored wheel had all become collectible cars? Just think of the 2.7 RS, the 3.2 Club Sport, the 968 Club Sport, the 955 Trans-Siberia, the 996 GT3 RS, and many more. And so, our vision was singular. We wanted a design that is the most complementary for those blue wheels. And it really is as simple as that. The rest of the process just had to fulfill this requirement. And the resulted design is something that will still look fresh and classy after 20, 30, and even 50 years. In a design that is so focused without any distractions. By putting the spotlight on the wheels, choosing the paint color became obvious. Instead of being distracted by all the fun and cool colors, we just went with white, like a blank canvas with a splash of blue on it. This singular vision made the rest of the design process relatively easy too, because we just had to eliminate all other distractions and colors. Yep, that means black brake calipers instead of red or yellow ones. In fact, this car has steel brakes for track practicality. The yellow illuminated sills has been replaced with carbon fiber sills, only because no yellow was allowed. This meant that the original Alcantara steering wheel with the yellow center mark had to be optioned out as well. And the only way to do that is to choose the extended leather option. Might as well though, because I'm not a big fan of Alcantara anyway. It never ages well and it becomes more and more disgusting with use. Leather, on the other hand, ages well with use and ultimately becomes part of the car's story. The only bit of yellow that's left in this car is on the gear lever, which, by the way, there is no way of removing. The rest of the car is just white, black, and blue. This design is an honorary representation of Porsche GT's very own ethos, single-minded and away from any distractions, where brands like BMW M, Mercedes AMG have all succumbed to diluting their brands. I think Porsche GT is still very true and focused to their original vision. The purity and focusedness of this design, it is perfection. It is a car that will attract tentative bystanders when parked outside. Not by blowing their minds, but by getting their attention. At first, they won't know why they like it, but once they start looking at all the small details on the car, they will discover why. There are subtle splashes of blue throughout the car that are like Easter eggs when you see it. It starts in the interior, on the seat belts, seats, and even on the stitching. In fact, the blue stitching is such a subtle touch that you can only see it in clear daylight. A nice touch that makes for a slightly different but impactful visual experience depending on when you drive it. The same can be said about the exterior of this car. When parked indoors or during the evening, it looks like a typical white car with black stickers. But in the right lighting, that's when the indigo blue decals start to pop. The blue stickers are such a subtle touch that from the first photos sent by AAS before seeing the car in person, we thought Porsche had made the mistake and forgotten to include the accent package logos option. But now seeing it in person, under the right light, this is just the cherry on top of this car. Such a perfect and classy touch. In fact, I think these stickers might fade over time and become even more blue with age, once again fulfilling the original goal of configuring a car that will age well like fine wine. It's no wonder that the owner and myself are absolutely in love with this car at first sight. I think that's enough of me talking. So let's see this car in action. But please bear in mind that this car still needs to run in, so nothing crazy here. But hopefully by now, you are convinced that this is the best configuration for the GT4 RS. Thank you for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy the following test drive footage. Enjoy.
Alright, we're going. Damn, that sounds good. Blue seatbelt. Yeah, freaking. Today's not too bad actually.
It's my baby, yeah. I love you, baby.
Just launch it down here.
Already feel
Wow,
the
it's
car is
soft.
very capable, man.
It's actually quite soft.
It's
Not bad at all.
Now, approaching the ramp.
Yeah.
I'm not sure I could go,
Yeah.
but I'll try.
Wait, you didn't get the front lift, right?
No.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, that is a ramp.
Oh.
That is a steep ramp.
Hey.
Yeah.
First rev.
First rev. Oh. What? Oh my gosh.
This is only a quarter throttle, man.
What? Dude. You actually hear the air.
Yep.
Wow. Yep. Whoa. It just changed sound.
I didn't even try hard, man.
Oh,
This is like crazy fuck.
now you got it. You got it. Where's Ben? Oh, okay. Okay.
He just went straight up, man.
You haven't
close, right?
Not even close, man.
Yeah.
Okay, side by side, side by side. Side by
I've never seen you drive this slow.
Whoa, that is sick, man. It is sick.
Oh my gosh. Oh shit.
I am addicted already. This is addictive. This
No
is
shit.
really addictive.
Oh shit. 28.
Well, let's see some maneuver.
Yeah, yeah. Handling.
Oh, it's like darty, man. This is freaking darty.
Whoa.
It's like what you said. It's like GT3 feels like jelly.
Yeah, yeah. This makes the GT3 feel like a jelly. The 996 GT3.
Oh, instant, man.
Instant.
Instant.
Oh my god,
Instant.
instant. Like a Tesla.
Woo! Damn, this car is like very comfortable.
Very comfortable.
See?
Damping is excellent.
Very comfortable.
Very similar damping to the GT3 actually. 992 GT3.
So comfortable, man. I can daily drive this one.
The seat is quite firm.
Yeah.
I don't think the front lift is required, to be honest.
Well, if you're gonna daily it, you need it. I cannot go down my building
The parking, right?
parking.
Mm.
It's, even with Turbo S, I cannot.
Right, right. You gotta do a pull here.
Already very, very confident with this car.
Oh my gosh.
Very confident.
Oh,
Listen to that.
this is the best sounding thing ever. The tone changes. Have you forgotten about the GT2?
No.
No, no, no.
It's a different car.
Okay, okay, okay.
That
Okay.
when you drive a lot of this,
Yeah.
you will wanting to go
Yes,
back to the GT2
yes,
and
yes.
GT3.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
996, especially
Yes.
996,
Yes.
997.
You need the contrast. Oh my gosh. Can you try the neutral revving?
There.
Oh,
Oh,
yeah,
see?
yeah, yeah,
See?
yeah. Whoop.
See?
Yeah, yeah.
You can actually drift this motherfucker.
Yes.
Woohoo! Get that thing out of my way.
Yeah. What the hell is that?
park here.
What?
Yeah. Whatever. I don't care.
Okay, I had enough for today. I had enough for today.
Yeah. I don't believe you.
Oh man. Whoops. What an asshole.
Fucking asshole.
This is not even full throttle, man.
Really?
It's like I just done like 2/3, like 1/3, 2/3, 1/2,
Yeah.
something like that. Well, wash it and then leave it.
PPF. Are you happy with your purchase?
Best purchase in a lifetime. I can tell you that, my friend. My friend, all the Fitzy fan. You gotta drive this car once in a lifetime. Just go for it.
Alright, bye.